Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, on this part where he says utensils are pot not used from 1 year or longer may be kasher from one type to another. I have two questions regarding this. I noticed that it says a pot. Does that apply for dishes too?
With dishes, let's put them aside. It's not so simple to kasher dishes. So you need just for us to understand. If dishes is considered to be like earthenware, that's a problem, because you cannot kasher because they're too porous and they would absorb the taste. But China, original China, from a long time ago, it was of course earthenware, but they would cover with a like thin layer of glass. Glass you can kasher. So it's not so simple. We're going to see the porcelain dishes. They are more like earthenware, so they would absorb the taste. You would not be able to kasher. Again, if you use it for hot, right? If you had hot something on that dish, even once, that's, I mean, meat or dairy, so that's enough to make it meat or dairy. So you would need to kasher. So it's not so simple. So let's not overcomplicate our case. Let's stick only to pots and pans at this time.
Thank you, Rabbi.
And actually, there is another difference how to consider. What do you consider this? What is it? Glasses. Glasses. It's a custom is also different between Ashkenazic and Sephardic. Okay, we'll see.